Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So for today, I am gonna show you my new Jeffy puppet. So wait, I'm gonna show you my old Jeffy puppet. If you know SML, then you know. If you don't know, watch it. It's called SML. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my old Jeffy puppet. Wait. So this is my old Jeffy puppet. Look, see that? See that? Pretty colors. We got yellow. We got black shoes, and we got white, which is his diaper and helmet and face and his pencil. Right? See that? That's my old Jeffy puppet, but is trash. Well, it's been long time ago, right? Since it got thrown in the trash. I am not the one who threw Jeffy in the trash. I'm not. Well, no more Jeffy. Well, at least I made my Jeffy puppet again in this day now. So if you have paper or cardboard, you can, or anything like plastic, like anything, like cardboard or anything. So if you made your own Jeffy puppet without buying like Marvin, Rose, or Cody and Junior and Bully and Jeffy, you just made your own. If you complete all, then it's pretty really good creation. PP. Well, I'm gonna show you my first Jeffy puppet. Here's my no, this is my third Jeffy puppet. See? See? It's pretty creative. Look at that. Look at that hose. That eyes is very creative. Look at that. Well, it's pretty trash. Well, this is my second Jeffy puppet. No, it's the third because which is I just little bit hate. Look at that. Well, look at that creation. Look at that creation, boy. So, this is my second Jeffy puppet. Hey guys, what's doing? My name is Jeffy. She said on my shirt, Jeffy. And don't forget the control because this is very important to smack his pee. And to raise his hand. See that? Well, his shoes, because I copied, and his pants to keep his diaper clean. He will poop in his pants to keep his diaper clean, which is pretty sus. And look at that eye. This is very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Well, I'm sorry guys. because I didn't cut it. So I didn't put tape, but it's okay because I don't need any more tapes. Look at that. Look at eyes. It's very creative, and his eyebrows looking good. Looking good. Looking good. So, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Hagrembens.